Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find and catch the legendary Manoai Statue Fish in Fish Eat Roblox. So this is a legendary fish in the ancient jungle, and here I'm going to show you the exact location to catch this one. So first you just need to of course head into the ancient jungle and to the sacred temple. So you can just head inside in here. This is the sacred temple. So for the road that I'm using the ghost fin road with corrupt bait, and for the exact location where I got the fish, I actually fish in here. This is the location. As you guys can see, this one also fish in here. So I got the Manoai Statue Fish from this location. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.